lie
Hey.
on your side.
Okay.
Scoop way like here.
Wow,
up
twin
to the
bed.
very edge
This
of the
is my
bed.
bed.
One.
Hey, what's going on here?
No, it's not.
Hey, what's going on with you?
One.
Hey, oh, it's comfy though.
One.
It is very comfortable. But you have to clean it.
Good.
No, we're
Alright,
still
can I
doing
let
the
you show?
couch.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's still pretty good. I'm sure.
Fall off though.
If you need
No, you're not. I'm
blankets,
right
they're
here.
like a lot more.
No, it's
blankets.
okay.
Yo, it's gonna.
Yeah, we have blankets in the
I don't know.
other
I'm really tense. My body's really tense. It's fine. It's not gonna hurt. Like,
It's not gonna hurt. You're gonna feel so amazing. Like
Can you straighten your leg out? Like scoot up.
yeah, that's right.
No, you're good. Well, actually, I'll put it.
It's a little. I can be dead.
Yeah.
oh my
Play
gosh,
dead.
this is gonna be so sad.
Can you? That
Why are
hurt?
you moving
Yeah,
your
no,
leg?
sorry. My bad. Sorry, I'm exaggerating.
Oh.
I actually did hurt, but I could
Where?
just not. No.
Okay.
You're supposed to tell him where it hurts.
Oh, you were starting?
It's a nice job.
Okay.
Uh,
You're with your right. Yes. Just grab my arm.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Just grab it. Okay. Relax.
Nothing happened.
Yes.
That's the
There's
best.
nothing happened yet. Yes.
Just relax.
Okay. I want you to clasp your arms together. Like you're folding. Yes. Okay. Let me snake my arm through. Okay. Can you relax?
Okay,
Relax.
sorry. Don't
Are
kill
you
me.
ticklish?
No, well.
No?
No. This is so scary.
That's scary.